Headphone warning. Merry Christmas everyone, and today we got a bit of a special today. Don't mind the mooing cows in the background, they're just hungry as always. And today we got this, can you excuse me for a second? Sorry about that, that thing has been annoying me all day. So anyway, so today we got this Clipsal fan to destroy today. And as you can see, it is the remote control version. The control is gone in it, which considers this fan useless. And the cord's busted in it. This isn't actually a cord, this is the only thing that's actually holding the fan, because the mount is broken. Alright, well let's see what we can do. Let's see if it even works, shall we? Yeah, you tell them, boys. What? Why is it so wobbly? It's supposed to be that loose? And why is this slouching so much? Let's sit up straight. Why is this so loose? Stupid fan. I'm gonna read some CDs. Stupid fan. Eat some Flight Simulator. Fan edition. Oh, what, you need to be compatible with the remote? It's not working. You thought it's supposed to be compatible with the remote, but it's just not working. Oh, I see. We're missing controller. No, that's not working either. I just don't know what's wrong. You got a screw loose or something? Is that what it is? Why is this so slouchy? Why is it all dusty? Ugh, yuck, yuck. Just wants to slouch all the time. Oh, why is it jammed already? Just to break one of these blades. Oh, what? How cheap. Oh, wait, I actually fixed it. No, I didn't. Why is it slouching? Stupid fan. Stop slouching. Get back here. Oh no, now it looks like an octopus, you stupid man. What, you want to assault me some more? Oh, what, you want to laugh at me now, hey? What? Why is it all slouchy like this? It looks like one of those, what are they called? Oh yeah, that's right, in your face, that's what it's called. Stop shaking. Stop swinging, you're not on a swing. You're just basic audience. Fan. Or what? Well, you're not compatible with the hammer, you might be compatible with this, you stupid fan. I gave you 10 years to work and you're not, this is all you got. Acceptable. Unacceptable. What? Oh, I actually made it better. So, fancy light. Oh, so itchy. Is that like caterpillars? You should see these. Stupid fan. Have some frisbees. Stupid fan. I'm gonna get those fancy blades. Bring them back into shape. Oh, I see what your problem is. There we go. Well, we found our problem. Gotta be compatible with the light bulb. Stupid fan. Oh look, you're putting hornets' nests all over my backyard. Or what, garage, whatever. You stupid fan. Fall down. Why is it making a jingle sound? Eh? Want to play jingle bells for us? Yeah, I'll give you jingle bells. Tie you up with a rope. There we go. Jingle bells, jingle. There you go. Oh, what? You want to slouch some more? You stupid Clipsal. Come on, Clipsal. Clip into place. Stop slouching. You swing? Okay, I'll give you a swing. There. Paddle, hey? You see? Come on, where's my air? It's 38 degrees Celsius. That's like 200 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that. That's working. Oh, what, you need this stick again? You need this stick again, you piece of crap. Oh, of course, it just wants to fall down, hang on to wires. And see why they record these stupid things. It's tiny. There we go. And why is this slouching? Is that how it's supposed to be? Well, I don't think so. Not on my farm, you're not. Of course, it just wants the cover wants to just come off. Of course it does. Well, you know what? You can take it back. Come on. Come on, take your cover back, you stupid man. Eat a dog bowl. Oh, I see your problem. You need your fancy remote. I see the problem. Oh, got the fancy remote out. Should work. It looks got all the fancy buttons and everything. So work. Oh, it just wants to disintegrate. You piece of crap. Right, that's it. It's gonna fall down, mate. All right, that's it. Enough of this fan. Merry Christmas, everyone, and I hope you all have a happy and safe holiday. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to get rid of this fan. Do not try this at home. Just watch. Merry Christmas, everyone.